Alright, so this next lesson we will be talking about what is Divine 7 awareness. Alright. So Divine 7 awareness falls under the 369 rule. So 3, 6, 9 awareness. That's the state of consciousness. We have a 3, that's basic awareness, 6, that's internal awareness, that's internal and external. As above, so below. Cosmic awareness. Alright. So that's a non-ether being. That's what they mean when they say non-ether beings, cosmic awareness. So Divine 7 awareness are people, places, and things. That's 3. Thoughts, words, actions, and ideas. That's 7. That makes it 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divine 7 awareness. So you want to have awareness of the people, places, and things that you surround yourself with. The thoughts, words, actions, and ideas that are coming from your mind. So people, places, and things, we call that stimuli. That's external, right? So thoughts, words, actions, and ideas, that's your psyche. We call that internal. So you want to make sure that you have balance between your internal and external world. Why? Cause and effect. What you put in mind is what you put out. As above, so below. As within, so without. Universal laws. The universal laws of God. God's law is true. What you do will manifest, whether you think so or not. We are all manifestors in one way or another. So, key note. Where attention goes, energy flows. So if your attention is going to people, places, and things that's no good, then that's going to be your external environment. If your attention goes towards thoughts, words, actions, and ideas that's no good, that's going to be your external environment. But we don't move like that, though. We make sure the people, places, and things that we surround ourselves with are in alignment with the future that we want to, the future trajectory that we want our life to be headed in, right? So we make sure that the thoughts, words, actions, and ideas are in alignment with the future trajectory of how we want our life to be. But we're not too focused on the future. We're going to detach from the future, right? But we are going to stay present in God's love of making sure that the people, places, and things, thoughts, words, actions, and ideas are all in alignment with what we plan on receiving in the future. That's a Divine 7 awareness. That is God's love. So, and remember, everything is about balance. You can't have the internal one way and the external another way. You got to have balance between the internal and external. That's stimuli versus psyche. So, that is your truth. That is Divine 7 awareness. I'll show you.